Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our first Smart Kitchen. So today I have come up with a very tasty recipe and that is mango tender coconut souffle. It's a very delicious recipe which you can serve for your family for iftar and special occasions. So let's get started. Ingredients needed are whipping cream, mango slice, mango pulp, chopped mangoes, tender coconut pulp, condensed milk, and tender coconut water. Firstly, take a bowl and put the whipping cream. Let's add the mango pulp. Now let's add condensed milk. Let's mix it well. Now let's add half of the tender coconut water and mix it. Now let's add rest of the tender coconut water and mix it well. Then add 4 tablespoons of chopped mangoes to the bowl. And mix it well. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of tender coconut pulp. Now in a glass tumbler, add 2 tablespoons of chopped mangoes. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of tender coconut pulp. Now let's add the mango and tender coconut mixture. For garnishing, let's add some sliced coconut. Add the mango slice. Now our mango tender coconut souffle is ready. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, keep on watching Iftar Smart Kitchen.